The MHT extension identifies an MHTML Web Archive file storing a complete web page, including all images and resources in a single file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these Web Archive files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure MHT formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. MHT files are MHTML Web Archive files that save a complete web page as a single self-contained document. They encode all HTML content, CSS style sheets, images, and scripts using MIME multipart encoding, preserving the full visual appearance of the saved web page. MHTML files use MIME multipart encoding to bundle all web page resources into a single file. Each resource is encoded as a separate MIME part with its URL and content type. The format was standardized in RFC 2557 and is supported natively by Internet Explorer and Edge. The initial software setup links the MHT file directly to Microsoft Edge by Microsoft Corporation. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows may show static content locally, but scripts run only through a browser. To bypass the default application error, right-click the MHT file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Edge if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. When your MHT file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening MHT files. Open MHT files directly in Microsoft Edge, which natively supports the MHTML format. Double-click the file to open it in Edge automatically. In Chrome or Firefox, install the MHTML extension from the browser's extension store to enable MHT file support. Next, converting to HTML. Use the Save page, WeBrowser extension, or an online conversion tool to convert MHT files to standard HTML with a separate assets folder. This allows the content to be opened in any browser or edited in an HTML editor without requiring MHTML support. Finally, editing MHT content. Open the MHT file in a text editor to view and edit the raw MIME encoded content. HTML content is readable in plain text between MIME boundaries. To visually edit the content, convert it to standard HTML format, first using an MHTML extraction tool. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.